Good morning to you all. Today in this video we'll see how to use Google Bard. So we all know that Google is about to launch or about to announce Google Bard, an AI assistant, or just like ChatGPT, we may ask queries to this Google Bard so that it may respond to our queries. So it may automatically generate some content, useful answers, or assist in so many ways. So Google has launched this. To open this, open your browser, Chrome browser or any browser. Just browse through google.com so that you'll see this one. New TryBard, an early AI experiment by Google. So this is an early release, early access or early release. And I tried the same on the mobile device also. On my Android device, I opened my Chrome browser and I just browsed through google.com and I saw the same option. So we can use this on, we can try this on mobile also. So you need to click on try Bard. Okay, once you're here, they are clearly saying it's an Bard experiment. So yes, Bart can create a table to track the depth chart. So yes, Bart can list some power words to use on your resume. Okay, when there is resume preparation, we may ask different queries according to our requirement. So you may try it. Okay, you can click on try Bart and Google terms and policies. You should read this. Okay, these are all Google terms and service their policy. And if you agree, you can click agree. So by agreeing, you can use this Bart. So if you check this, you will receive emails or you can just click on continue. So this is the URL bard.google.com. So if you browse through this particular site, you will get this interface. Yes, so yes, here we can enter our queries here, or we can use this microphone and we can speak out the queries so that it will just type here something and you will get a response in this way. As I want to show you the date, I just gave a very simple question to Google Bard. Yes, so you may ask complex queries like something like that. So I didn't mention any programming language, but it has given a response. So see, yeah, see here. Okay, hello will get print. Hello will be printed in the reverse. This program defines the function. Okay, there is a short explanation here also. So yeah, there is an indication here. Use code with caution. So you need to double check because uh, as the disclaimer they have mentioned something like it may give inappropriate results. We can help and give the feedback to the Google Bard. So you need to try and check. And I just want to show you as this Google launched this Google Bard. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you like it, please do hit a like and share it with your friends so that it may be useful to others too. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.